Hey dolls, subscribe, thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video. So this video is brought to you by, sponsored by DivaTress. They sent me over 6 packs of Bae Locs. So I have the 12-inch Bae Locs, and I have it in the color number 2, and I also got it in a color 30. And this is what the 30 looks like. It looks like this. And I have 1 pack of the 30 and 5 packs of the number 2. I always get a number 2. My color isn't, I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, the number 2. Just in case. This is how the packs look. I used almost all the packs. I only have 7 left. Only 7 pieces left. And each pack it comes with 12 individual locks. So I have individual in the front, and then the rest is just regular braided crochet. DivaTress, and I will leave everything down in the description box. I'll leave their website, and also you guys, I have a coupon code for you guys to use, and I will be down in the description box, also displayed on the screen, so you guys can go purchase and get you guys some Bae Locs from there. They also have other types of crochet braids and everything, but if you want to try these Bae Locs, they do have it in 12-inch, and they will have it in the longer inch pretty soon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video, and let's get to the next clip on how I install this beautiful Bae Loc.
I be in the white whip with them gold rims, by my side my white fly shit, and she know she is. I spend cash, I blow it back and get it right back. For my baby, it's pure luxury. Yeah, we fuss and fight, we can agree to disagree. Doesn't matter the storm or the weather. Yes, we stay together like glue, nothing come between us. My Julia just trusted like she did a Romeo. Won't be the same scenario. I keep you flooded with ice. You be dripping, manicures and panties. I pay full attention. I just want you to listen. Let my boy let you know. counting, counting, counting. Every day I'm counting, counting, counting. Blessed. Every day I'm counting, blessed. Always learn my lesson. Ice, ice. All up in my penny. Red, white, and blue. Bubba life is true. Fact. Day and night I'm counting. I don't need an accountant. Making moves I gotta do if I know who's going to. I felt the pressure, never know how it's coming like the weather. Old friends become strangers. New friends become dangerous. I know my ways. I'm feeling like Zora, I know my lanes. Seeing through your face, easy as bribing kids for cake. Life is great, can't complain. Real nigga in my vein. Blessings, blessings. Every day I'm counting blessings, blessings. Every day I'm counting blessings. And I'm young and reckless, riding in that touch letters for my exes. And every day I'm counting, counting, counting. Every day I'm counting, counting, counting. Every day I'm counting, counting, counting.